I'm going to show you how to install the 1520 decorative rod from Vako. I'm adding the carriers to the rod to slide them in place, and these are the roller carriers. And then add a stop before the last carrier. And you'll want to make sure you have room for that last carrier before you tighten the screw. And that will keep the drapery from pulling away from the end. Before you put on your finial or end cap, you want to add your bracket. I'm using a wall mounting bracket. There's another video showing you all the different bracket options. And then tighten with the supplied Allen wrench. And then you can add your finial on the end. And that slides right into the groove, and then you can tighten. And that is tightened from the top of the rod. Now that's ready to install, and there's a base plate. The silver base plate is what you'll install to the wall. And you can see there's the base plate, and the groove is down. Add your cover plate, and then the bracket slides on, and then tighten from below with the Allen wrench. And that's it. You're finished.